This hidden safe furniture is great for keeping items safe, including guns. You can personalize it by adding advanced RFID and Bluetooth access systems. The design is solid, and even a small square cabinet can handle up to 14 kilograms effortlessly. FOS 1 takes care of your safety, not only at home but also when you're on the go. What makes this safe special is its unique feature, a special lock in one position that stops it from opening even if you enter the right combination. This headrest safe is handy for both regular folks and police officers. It's built from around 2 mm thick steel and can be set up in just seconds. A cool thing is, bad guys won't really think about looking in the headrests, unless, of course, they've seen our videos. Updating this old house was tricky for the builders. The owners wanted a deck and to keep access to the basement. The experts went for a clever move, using spring-loaded hinges. The result is so handy that even kids can open the door with ease. To get this pool table ready, the pros had to create a 1.5-meter deep space. They set up 4 drives with a 91 cm stroke and another 4 with a 30.5 cm stroke. Using Gates Power Grip GT3 timing belts and pulleys, they ensured everything worked smoothly. The table's operations are handled by an Arduino microcontroller, allowing the owner to tweak the height using a handy app and, of course, leave a lasting impression on their guests. Remember MTV Cribs, where celebs flaunted their houses and cool stuff? Well, now everyone can have equally awesome options. Ever thought of having a pool in your living room? If you have the space, you can even set up a 5 by 2 meters pool. The bottom can be adjusted, it's made of strong concrete for safety, and there's a reinforced layer to keep it watertight. Imagine owning a home or apartment reminiscent of those featured in thrilling action films. You can embark on this cinematic journey by incorporating discrete storage units. The fundamental lifting mechanism effortlessly manages weights of up to 71 kilograms, and its cutting-edge technology comes equipped with an automatic halt feature if any obstruction is detected along the way. One astute customer even introduced a fingerprint scanner to add a touch of Hollywood drama to the unlocking process of their secure storage solution. This wine cellar is quite something. The owner didn't hold back, creating not just an amazing entrance but also installing a cooling system from M&M Cellar Systems. Because, sparkling wine needs to be kept between 7 and 9 degrees Celsius. That's why they use nitrogen in the M&M Cellar System setup.